Hi there, this is Fixed It. My wife's an ardent gardener and she went to the local gardening shop to get something to damp down her trays, and these were about £8-10, $10 or $12. And so we found a bit of wood, and as you can see I've cut the side off it, another bit of wood that's the right size, and basically put some wood glue on it, this other piece of wood on top so you can hold it, and I'm just going to screw the last screw into it, and really pleased with the results as it's saved money. I'll just actually I better do this while I'm holding the bit of wood, otherwise I'll damage the screw. I'm not planning to remove the wood glue as it'll form a good seal, stop water getting into the joint. Just going to put some wood glue in this crack. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out all my other money saving tips. There are over 500 videos to choose from. Thanks for watching. Bye.